my suggestion is, firstly, one way to actually cut down, okay, very quickly the number of stocks that you will need to look at the charts is by filtering or screening through the trading liquidity of the instruments that you're looking at. So for example, scan through the trading liquidity of the 700 SGX listed stocks, okay? And once you have done that, you will trim down by a lot already, okay? And after you do that, I will show you an example later on. Just let me run through this part of the presentation first. Then once you have run through that, you will narrow down the list very, very significantly. And I believe from most exchange, that is the case, because the reality is most listed stocks out there are very illiquid. Okay, so just by using this method, you can actually narrow down the list significantly. But then once you have narrowed down the list significantly, then my next suggestion for you is open the charts of those narrowed down lists, okay, one by one. So all these lists that you have, we are not talking about putting them into a watch list yet. You still need to do the next step, which is to open the chart one by one and just take a quick glance at the chart in terms of how the price moved to see whether the chart or this particular stock actually has a price action trading characteristics or not, okay? And of course, those price action trading characteristics has got to be based on your trading time frame and horizon, which means that if you are like a long-term swing trader like myself, then you got to be looking at the chart from using a daily candle perspective. You're going to be an intraday or super short-term swing trader kind of angle, then you probably got to look at 4-hourly chart or 1-hourly chart to see whether that particular stock has that kind of price action trading characteristic for you or not, okay? So it's not just blindly open a daily candle and just look at it and say, oh, it looks like it's a good price action trading instrument, and then you try to trade intraday using that daily chart, okay? So that's not the case. So take note, trading characteristic, but must be based on your trading time frame and horizon.